Do you think about fake scenarios when you're about to sleep, or about things people said about you, or things that happened in the past, or simply your mind is always flooded with thoughts? Well, then this video is for you. Hi all you beautiful souls, this is Rishvika and welcome to Minding Ways. Before we start, I want to say that make sure you watch the video till the end, because at the end of the video I have a bonus talk for you guys where I will be taking into account almost all those reasons that lead to overthinking. So you are here because you can't stop thinking, your mind is not calm, your mind is always flooded with junk thoughts. Well, I got you. And trust me, you are not alone in this. Especially in these tough times, things can be really hard. So it is very natural to feel kind of tensed, stressed with all those thoughts bothering you. But you know what? You can win over it. You can do this, you can calm your mind. So it can be really hard to stay calm. But you know what? You can. I know you can. Now, I won't say meditate because let's be honest here, let's be practical. You want to get rid of the thoughts, you want to stay calm, and in the initial stage, meditation just don't work for you, because I have been there. So I'm talking this from my own personal experience that in the initial stage when you are meditating, it don't really help to get rid of all your thoughts. So what is the practical way? What can you do right now to get rid of all those thoughts, to get rid of overthinking, to stay calm? Well, the answer is very simple. Do anything and everything that makes you feel happy, that makes you feel good, that makes you feel alive. Yes, it is that simple and that underestimated. Think about the things that absorbs your energy, that makes you feel alive, that makes you feel good, that deviates you from all those junk thoughts. Make a list of those things. It doesn't have to be one specific thing. That's why I said make a list of things that make you happy, because our mood changes. So if you have a list of so many things, then you can choose from it that okay, today I'm feeling like this, so I have this dance kind of vibe, so I'll be dancing today, or today I'll be reading a book that will deviate me from my junk thoughts. Like some days I really adore doing makeup, deviating from all those junk thoughts. It kind of channelizes my energy. And some days it's simply reading a book. That book absorbs my energy, that book deviates me from all those thoughts I've been struggling with. So what I'm trying to say is reflect on yourself. Think, what are those things that will make you happy? What are those things that will deviate you from the thoughts, that will absorb all your energy, that will keep you focused? Now you may ask me, Rishvika, why do we have to make a list? I mean, we can remember it that okay, we all know we love this. So yes, what is the need to make a list? Because it is human nature to resist all those things that can make you feel better. I know it's ironical, but it is what it is. So you might resist it that क्या करूं, पता नहीं, maybe I should just read a book. फिर लगे नहीं, आज बुक रीड करने का मन नहीं है, so there's nothing I can do and I'll simply sit and overthink. But if you will have a list with yourself with all the things that you like, all the things that you love doing, then you can go through the list. अगर बुक रीड करने का मन नहीं कर रहा, then you can look for another thing. You can suit for yourself, so that you don't have any excuse to give yourself. The next thing is, I don't know how many times I've emphasized on this, learn new things. When you learn new things, you can't think of anything else. When you learn something new, you awaken that inner child. There is innocence, there is energy, there is spark in you. And that is the time when your mind is so energized and yet so calm. So yes, learn something new. And whenever you feel like you're overthinking, pour those thoughts into any creation. Create something, and trust me, when you create something, when you are overthinking, when you are really stressed, when you have so many thoughts going on, you will have the best creation ever. Now time for that bonus talk. Now, if you're overthinking because of some past scenarios, well, here's the thing. You can't change the past. The past doesn't even exist. All that is now. Past, हवा है. There's no past. It's just the present. So all you have is today, this very moment, and the lessons you have learned from the past. So if you're overthinking about past, there is no use. It is gone. There, past doesn't exist. And of course, I won't get it because some people have gone through so much. And I know there are some real hardships that people go through in the past. So all I can say them is there are certain memories that you can't wipe, and you have to give yourself time. You have to give yourself that time to heal. And in this case, you shouldn't avoid those thoughts, because if you're avoiding them, then it will always persist somewhere. And again, the more you resist, the more it persists. I'm only saying, the moment you realize that you're overthinking about something, if you are overthinking about that specific memory, stop right then and there and start singing a song. I know it will be very difficult and it may sound strange, but start singing a song or just call a friend. Do something. Don't just sit there. If you'll just sit there, you will overthink. Now, if you overthink about fake scenarios, well, here's the thing. कुछ fake सोचना ही है तो कुछ ऐसा सोचो जिससे आपको लाभ हो. Think something which is good for you, and don't just think. Manifest, and your life will do wonders. So that was it for today's video. I hope I was of some help to you guys. If you liked the video, you know you have to share it with all your friends and family so that they can benefit as well. And please let me know in the comment section how much you like the video or what you expect from our channel. Also, if you're new here, welcome to our YouTube family. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button. See you next time. Till then, stay blessed, stay happy.